Aloha, ladies and gents. Bye. Aloha, ladies and... Aloha, ladies...
What?
Aloha, ladies and gents. My name is GussyKittyZ, and... this is the latest thing I like to play with. It is... Aloha, ladies and gents. My name is GussyKittyZ, and this is the latest thing I like playing with. This is a 3D printed Mayan death whistle, and it sounds like this. Pretty spooky. Okay, so a bit of a backstory on this first. I was just scrolling around on iFunny a few weeks back when I stumbled across this really creepy video, which I think was originally made by someone named Dark Knives TV. The iFunny video is just a thing from Instagram uploaded by Conspiracy Theory Man. I don't think he's the original poster. I think the original poster is just at Dark Knives TV. But then basically it's an article talking about death whistles. Needless to say, I was creeped out and intrigued. So I did a little bit more digging and I found this video on YouTube of a public demonstration, which I won't be playing any of the audio for because copyright, all that. Here's a screenshot though. And this piqued my curiosity even more. And being a person who's naturally into 3D printing, as is shown here, I was curious. Are there any 3D printable STLs out there? So I went to one of my favorite sites, Thingiverse, and lo and behold, there sure are. After browsing for a bit, I decided upon this specific model. It's easy to print, simple, advertised as loud. This is the result.
Your camera's dirty. Because there's like a huge glare on it.
That better?
Much better.
Alright. So I just showed my cameraman, my friend here, Gunner. Say hi, Gunner.
Hi, how's it going?
I just showed them the little nature clip, so now they get to hear it.
Oh.
They don't know about this. I just pulled this out.
Oh.
I haven't heard this either. This is the first time I can hear it.
Man, this is gonna be really fucking
Like,
fun.
it's still warm from the printer.
This will be funny as shit if it doesn't work.
Kind of works. Doesn't sound like as much screaming as I was hoping.
You need to fix it so it resonates better. Give it a resonating chamber and it'll be fine.
It's supposed to have a resonating chamber.
Make it a bigger resonating chamber. How long did it take to print? Okay, now it just sounds like you're spitting into it. How long did it take to print?
2 hours-ish.
Oh.
2 hours-ish. I downloaded quite a few, but they all seem to work on the same thing. They were remixes of this one, basically. That one actually didn't sound that bad.
Can create...
That one worked.
Yeah, but...
There's different ways of blowing into it.
There it is. That's it. That's definitely the one.
Oh, God. too.
Yeah.
I'm giving myself goosebumps. You guys getting goosebumps?
I had a little bit.
Takes a lot for me to get goosebumps. Inhale through it.
Just be reverse screaming.
Nope.
Your dogs are going ape shit.
Are they?
Yeah.
It's weird because you don't think there's different ways of blowing through a little pinhole like that, but there are.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
It's so...
That sounded like you were blowing your nose.
Yeah.
Oh no! It.
Oh my gosh. What if, like...
So it's kind of neat. It's interesting to, after printing it and messing with it, to realize you have to develop a technique to print it, but... Or to play it, but... That's really... that's still a good start, because that was like a minute of blowing into it, and I got like 2 or 3 good screams.
Yeah.
Hey, look, another one.
Alright, so Alex had a neat idea of trying to plug this into the air compressor. Air compressor?
Air compressor.
I got an air gun, just gonna try and line the hole up and see if I can get any kind of good sound.
Yeah, line the hole up. Christ! Oh,
And we're out of
air.
air pressure.
Well, it's fine.
Wow. That was freaky for a second.
It hurt, that's what it did.
That was unnerving for like 2 seconds there.
Ominous.
Yeah,
Wow.
it was pretty unnerving.
Spooky.
Alright. We're at 99. Oh, 100.
Oh god, not particularly well because I have the balance of a fucking ox.
Total print time 2 hours, 53 minutes.
It's stuck. Shit. Should I use my head?
Should I use my head? So is it like done?
Yeah.
All 3 of us.
Mmm. A delightful mouthful of filament.
Alright. So we're gonna see what they all sound like together. So, like a barbershop triad or whatever. On a 1 and a 2 and a 3.
You good?
Wow.
Oh my god. You good? You okay, Alex?
These things are really loud. Like
Yeah.
the Thingiverse page, like the comments all said loud, loud, loud. So like, well, this is gonna be really loud.
Yeah.
I'm gonna expect it to be louder than my first expectation. But then it was louder than my second expectation. You blow enough air into this, it gets super loud, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Okay, that wasn't right.
You just see Abby just looking disturbed.
Abby's just...
Abby!
Never mind.
Get her.
Oh my god.
Bad for
That
fauna
was-
down there.
That was loud. Oh god, that was like in my ear.
I think it's a good test. Wow. Hey, so I'm recording this right now and I realized none of my handheld cameras got any really nice audio of the, like, whistle sound itself. They're all kind of grainy or subpar, so I dug out my good microphone and I'm just gonna give you guys a good taste of it right here. And now I'm gonna hear someone in my house ask what that was.
Anyway.
Weird. Yeah?
Ow!
They don't call it a death whistle for nothing, dude.
You good?